Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This video is a comparison of Zendrop versus Spocket for dropshipping on Shopify. In this video, we're going to compare both these applications, which are Zendrop, which is right over here. I've opened the page, and we've also got the another application called Spocket, which is also a dropshipping supplier for Shopify. So let's get started. For that, first you need an account on Shopify, which is very simple to create. You just need to sign up. And once you have signed up and done everything, you will land on this page, which is kind of your dashboard. Now let's get into the two platforms. Let's see how they work on Shopify, which are Zendrop and Spocket. For that, you need to go to the left navigation bar over here, and you need to click on Apps. And then on the top over here, let's go to all recommended apps. Let's scroll down and you need to click on this one, which says Shopify App Store. It'll open a new window where you'll be taken to the Shopify App Store. And on the top, you've got this search bar. And over here, we're going to give in our keyword, which is nothing but dropshipping. Click enter. And you've got all the results over here, 450 apps. And you can see these are all the popular dropshipping that you can link to your Shopify store. We've got Easy Ship and CJ Dropshipping is one of the best ones. Then we've got Dizzers, which is from AliExpress. And here we've got the Zendrop and also Pocket. Now, let's take a closer look at both of them. So we have these two apps, right? Zendrop has a star rating of 4.8, while Spocket has 4.7 stars of rating. And both of them have a free plan available. You can see that over here. So on Zendrop, you can start dropshipping in 30 seconds with unique products. And with Spocket, which is it's a premium AliExpress dropshipping app. Now, this Zendrop, it has 6,000 and plus people who have reviewed this app. And then there are almost 4,000 people who have reviewed Spocket. Now, what makes these both apps really popular? Let's look into that. So, as I said, I have the pages open over here of Zendrop and Spocket. Let's first look at the pricing of Zendrop. If you go to the pricing page right over here, you can see that these are the plans. So there is a free plan, and then this is the pro plan, where you have access to more than 1 million products, world-class support, product sourcing, quick order processing, and so many other things like custom branding. And yes, they cater to US products. There's a 7-day free trial, and this one's for almost $50 per month. You also got the plus plan, which is $80 per month. Now, the same thing on Spocket. If you go to the pricing section over here, this is the pricing page. They've got a free starter, pro, and empire plan. The starter plan itself is $40 after the 14-day trial period gets over, and you've got 25 unique products in it, email support, 24/7 chat support, as well as AliExpress drop shipping. So this is mainly for those who are looking to boost their sales. Let's now first try Zendrop. So open the Zendrop one on the Shopify App Store, and let's add the application. And you'll need to connect your Zendrop to your Shopify. So for that, we've just clicked on install, and we're waiting for the application to get installed to our Shopify store. And this is where you will need to sign up. So you first need to give in a password, and you need to give in your phone number and sign up. So we just signed up over there, and this is how it is on Zendrop. So this is how it'll look like after you've signed up. So you've basically connected your Zendrop to your store on Shopify, and you can see there are so many products available. And so this is how it will look like when you have connected your Zendrop to your Shopify. And what we need to focus over here, there are tons and tons of products, but what we need to focus over here is from where it ships. And we do need to select ship from US because that's what we are looking for. People in the US can buy from our store. Obviously, we want to save on their, charges for shipping, and for us as well, we need to get some profit. So let's select ships from US, and then all the products that ship from US will be shown over here. So you can see there are tons and tons and tons of products. And if you open any one product over here, this is the product page. You can see that there is a full-fledged description over here. And then there is the price. And over here, you can see the SKU, the product cost, the shipping charge, and the total price over here. So that's how it is done on Zendrop. Now let's go to our next application, which is Spocket. We'll open it on the Shopify App Store and click on Add App. And it'll take us to our Shopify store, and we need to click on Install App right over here. Give it some time for it to install, and it'll take you to the Spocket page where you can search for products to add to your store on Shopify. And as you can see over here, let's just move that out of the way. You can select over here on the left side from the navigation panel, and you have this option of US EU products. That's what we are looking for. So make sure that is selected. And then once you scroll down, you can see that there are so many products, and I'm just opening something similar to what we saw on Zendrop. It's something related to the eyewear. And we've got the product description, ships from US, and listing price is this much, retail price is this much. You can simply click on add to import list. So it's the same thing over here as well. So pretty similar, both platforms are. On Zendrop, if you just click on the products like add to import list, you will see that you can either upgrade or click on the 7-day free trial. And whereas on Spocket, if you click on add to import list, again, you have the options to select from the different plans, which are starter, Pro, Empire, and Unicorn. And if you just click on try it for free, you'll be taken to the payment page. The same goes with this one as well. So this is how it works for both the platforms. You will need to first select a plan, and then you can add the products to your Shopify store. So that's how it's going to be for Zendrop. You will need to upgrade, and that is the cost. But once you've done all that, and even on Spocket, once you have done all these processes, then on your Shopify account, if you go to products, you will see the products added over here. Currently, we have not signed up for any of the plans either on Spocket or on Zendrop. So that is why we do not have any products right now. But once you have selected your plans and everything, then you can continue with that. Both the platforms are pretty similar. On both, you can get products that particularly ship to the US, so that you can save your money on the shipping costs and increase your profits as well. And you're catering to a wide customer base because you are choosing US-based products. So that is how it is done on both these platforms. And with that, we have come to an end of this comparison between Spocket and Zendrop. So we truly hope that this video has helped you understand how both the platforms work on Shopify. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you do have any kind of suggestions for video topics as well, put them in the comment section as well. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So stay tuned and stay subscribed.